To solve this question, we have to move from left to right. 3 divided by 9 can be written as 3 over 9 divided by 1 over 3 divided by 3 as it is. Now 3 over 9 can be cancelled. 3, 1, and 3, 3 are 9, so 1 divided by 3 divided by 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Now, we have to move from left to right, so we have to apply here KCF rule. Keep the first one, 1 by 3 as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication. 1 by 3 is flipped, so it will become 3 divided by 3 as it is. Now, 3 and 3 are reciprocal to each other, so here we will get 1 by 3. Hence, 1 over 3 will be our answer. Thank you for your support.